Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? So this is the live price prediction of Theta Network, and what's the update of Theta Network in upcoming time? There is a chance they will wake up and they give you a very good profit. My brother, I clearly tell you to in upcoming 7 days, there is no chance they will wake up. Why? I have two main reasons. I will tell you, my brother. But before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, there are two main reasons today fell down. You can see the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and minus 14.07% they fell down. And I already tell you, brother, to upcoming 7 days there is no chance they will take off and they go in the moon. Why? The main reason is that my friends, especially when the short-term investor they're starting selling, so every cryptocurrency falls down. So therefore, at the end of month, every cryptocurrency, my friend, every especially short-term investor they're starting selling because the price is going to be very huge, and at the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving upward. You can see it like that. But definitely I cannot expect this, my friend, and this month, my friend, especially all crypto market is very badly falls down. So don't see this short film, my brothers. Try to understand. You can see after a big jump they falls down. So I am 100% sure to after this fail they also they wake up and they take a very huge jump. So but just in only you need to hold and wait for the good time, my brother. So try to understand Theta Network holder. Upcoming time, the main reason I already tell you. So upcoming time there is no chance to them move upward. So if you want to, my brother, starting selling, then absolutely you are in the loss. And try to understand, if you can see this time the price is 8.35 USD dollar. It's a very cheap price. Just in only, my friend, when they're starting moving upward, just in only in the one month, my friend, especially they will give you a very huge profit and they will make you millionaire. So try to understand Theta Network holder. Don't sell it, and you also share your opinion in the comment box to sell, hold, or buy. What we do, kindly share your opinion. And thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.